Hello, good evening. How are you all? Hi Shweta, Diksha, Shreya, Sheena, Prachi, Kajal, Mona, first benchers. It's so awesome to see all of y'all. How are y'all? कैसे हो? बहुत अच्छे. नमस्ते शीना जी. मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. बहुत सीख रहा हूँ. आज एनर्जी बहुत बढ़िया है. आई एम अमेजिंग. नाज वालिया, हेलो. रेशल, हाउ आर यू? विदुषी, मेघा, आज जितने हो सकेंगे. हाय कार्तिक, हेलो आंचल. पक्का. ग्रेट. I am awesome. Priyanshi, Priya, Roop. Great. Shall we start? I'll start by saying a thank you for all the people who answered my quiz. The quiz was basically to understand that we all want to love everybody and we all want to receive love. So I wanted to get a vote done. Okay, what is it that people usually like? And I was so glad to see. Although my language of love is word of appreciation and you guys give me a lot of that, so that's why I keep coming back. But I realized that the clear winner this time, the number one winner, has been quality time. And that very clearly defines and brings us to this knowledge. Hello Saksham, Anamika, hello. Can we do the hellos later? And then let me tell you, I'm very excited to share a lot of great things. So thank you everybody and hello to all of you. Welcome and thank you again. Yeah, so everybody has been asking me, many people ask me, what is quality time, sir? Quality time का definition क्या होता है? So today I'm going to share with you what is quality time and how, since all of us like this language of love, how shall we cultivate this habit in our day-to-day living so that everything that we do, we do it with good quality. Everything first class as we all like it, so shall we all have to give. So what is quality time? Quality time, first thing, anything that you do, please do it with intensity. Shat pratishat. Give your 100%. Don't do anything half-heartedly. There is nothing that you have to do. Make your choices and do things that you love to do. Shat pratishat. First thing of quality time. Second, no phone near you. Put your phone upside down with the light off, ringer off. That is quality time. No screen in front of you. No TV. Undivided attention. और पुराने ज़माने में we as parents used to cover our face with a newspaper. हाँ बेटा बोल तुझे क्या कहना है. So no newspaper, no distraction. Basically 100% attention to whatever somebody is speaking to you or you are sitting with somebody is quality time. That is the few basic rules. Next is very important. Listen to them attentively. Pay all your attention. अगर आप किसी को सिर्फ 10 मिनट भी देते हैं ना quality time, like my mother, when I asked her what was her language of love, she said, बेटा मुझे बाकी सब है, just give me 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. अगर तूने मुझे आधा घंटा दिया तो मुझे बहुत ठंडक मिलती है. मैं वेट करती हूँ सुबह शाम. उसी तरह बच्चों को क्वालिटी टाइम क्या होता है कि मेक श्योर एवरीबडी हु हैज अ चाइल्ड इन द हाउस, irrespective whether the child asks for not, please read them a story every evening. Whatever, मन घड़ित कहानियाँ, एक राजा था एक रानी थी, whatever you guys like, मगर please read stories. That is undivided time. Pay full attention to what the person is telling you. Don't just हाँ अच्छा. No, pay attention. Like I said, intensely, ध्यान से सुने ताकि लोगों को ऐसा महसूस हो. They should feel कि यार he has empathy for me. He's giving me so much attention. Very important. Look in the person's eye when you're speaking. Don't get distracted by looking here or there. How would you like it if I keep looking here? Though I keep looking sometimes to the notes that I have, but I make sure I try my best to keep my eye just in front so that I am giving you my quality time. I put my ringer off. And when you look in the person, they actually can feel it. So whenever you're saying anything, even when you're asking for something, look in the eye. When you're listening, keep looking. Don't look here and there. They feel very insulted. It's humiliating. Very important. If you want to probe them further, like you want to get more out of them so that they can feel nice, there's a beautiful thing I learned about training, which is called the mirroring effect. If you repeat the two or the last three words that that person just spoke to you, कल शाम को पता क्या हुआ, उसने ये बोला, उसने वो बोला, फिर मैंने तो ये किया, अच्छा आपने ये किया, just mirror it to them. When you mirror to them, they are sure that one, you are listening to them, be reciprocate to them, and then they will tell you more. So when you probe further, they will be able to express to you. When you listen to people, no, उनका आधा इलाज हो जाता है. So please listen to them carefully. Do not judge. ये हमारी गलती है. हम ऐसे सोचने लगते हैं, यार ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है? And we are waiting to answer back. We Indians particularly have a very, very weird habit of giving a lie even when not asked for. So a request is, do not give them your opinions. Until a question is asked, your job is to keep asking them questions. Stop giving them advice which they don't need, because the true answer will come from within themselves. Trust me, when there is a challenge, only from within can you get the true answer. So don't judge them, don't give them quick advice. Never bring back the past. Never remind them, याद है पहले तूने ऐसा किया था, ये हुआ था, फिर वो हुआ था. Just treat every experience as new and never bring back the past. Please cultivate this habit in quality time of asking rather than telling. The more you will ask, the more they will tell you, and you will feel much, much better. One very bad habit is people ask questions and then they don't even wait for an answer. Like many people assume the answer already in their head. So correct that habit of giving somebody quality time, because these are secrets, because you guys have all voted. I'm not saying for people who have voted for other things. There are other ways, but today we are talking on time, and that is why I'm sharing with you what is quality time. Don't walk away in between. When somebody is talking to you, it's the worst. It's worse than a slap. It's an emotional slap when you're talking to somebody and the person just walks away from there. Please complete your conversations fully. Also, when you are asked a question or given a choice, don't say yes when you want to say no. Don't give that disappointment. Our favorite answer in India, whenever we are asked for anything, is batata hu. I will let you know. And we never revert back, which is so embarrassing. यार मेरे पास पिक्चर की 2 टिकट हैं. Would you like to join me tomorrow? कौन सा शो है, क्या है? They'll ask you everything, and then the last sentence is, अच्छा चल मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ. Now this is not a good position. Say no, and then even later on, if you want to ask for it, next morning you can call. Yeah, yesterday you had called and I told you no. Is it possible that there is a chance? Don't keep that person hanging, because now that person is stuck whether he can ask somebody else or not for anything, even for help. If you want to say no, please don't say yes, and please complete amicably. Complete your conversations. Yeah, Achal, what if the other person walks away? There are few reasons why the other person, either he or she doesn't care. That is one reason. The other is you're probably not putting it up and it's too boring. Also, maybe you've chosen the wrong time. You haven't asked for that person's time. Marketing people call me up and then say, sir, we are from this bank, da, 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 da. They are recorded messages. And then the first thing I tell them, I'm requesting you to please ask me, is it a good time to speak to you? So Aanchal, that was the answer to your question. Please ask them. There are a lot of things to help you with quality time, but you need to cultivate this habit. And I hope this will help you. But for quality time and all my sessions, I would just like to tell you that my job is only to tell you what I believe is right out of my experience. My sessions, usually that you will see, are more filled with questions. The answers you have to find for yourself. We all have different answers and meanings for everything that we understand. Mujhe lagta hai. So you can ask me the right questions. Tomorrow and day after again will be a lot of question answers. And I believe many universal questions get lovely answers. My job is to just show you the light. अंधेरे में से प्रकाश लाना, आपको अपना रास्ता खुद ढूंढना है. Even for time, today whatever I'm going to share with you is something which is very, very valuable. It is a beautiful lesson of life, because you have everything and you can save anything and you can hold everything. Even your breath you can hold. But the only thing that you cannot save ever in your life is TIME. And like I said, the spelling of love is not LOVE. It is TIME. You can't save it. So the only best way is to manage time, to understand how to make the most of it. सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा कैसे होगा? Ayushi, I will answer your questions later. I will definitely answer everything, but right now let me go with the flow of what I have prepared to share with you, because I don't want this conversations or these sessions to be a time pass for y'all. I don't want it to be a time spent. I don't want अच्छा time spend हो जाता है सर के साथ. I don't want it to be a time waste. I want this valuable 15-20 minutes that you guys give me from your valuable, which is non-replaceable and the best asset you have in life. So I want you to invest your time. I want to teach you how to invest your time wisely. I will show you the way you will have to walk on it. Is that very, very clear? Please. Now, why don't we use time well is a big question, okay? Our mind is like a crazy ball. How many of y'all have seen a crazy ball? Usko ek jagah feko, it will never come back to you. It will go somewhere else. Our mind jumps like a crazy ball, and the beauty is doesn't think in one direction. So ऐसा नहीं है कि when the thoughts come for family, they come for family. Our mind jumps from family to business to friends to personal to looks to neend to paise to what will I do to dreams to destinations. Like that crazy ball, and our job is of course to control this so-called monkey mind, and that requires discipline, my friends. That requires practice. That requires, in today's context, time management. So why do we need to manage time is a question. Why? Because there are so many tasks we are supposed to do, we have in our head, and some tasks are like, in our training languages, we say they are like frogs. Those thoughts keep croaking in our mind. Croak, croak, croak. They keep bothering us. Supposing, give you an example, if I have to receive payment from somebody, or I want to say sorry to somebody, or I want to wish somebody a birthday, that thought is now constantly croaking in my head. And we teach, if you want to manage your time well, make a list of the jobs that you want to accomplish, and early morning eat the frog. वो जो चीज़ जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा डराती है, रोकती है, या जिसे आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हैं, यार बाद में करूँगा, I will do it later, is the frog in your head. It will keep croaking you. So I humbly request all of y'all, प्लीज़ ईट द फ्रॉग. जो सबसे कठिन काम है ना, अगर आपने सबसे कठिन काम कर लिया, आपको किसी से पेमेंट लेनी और वो नहीं आ रही है, तो जब बाद में करता हूँ उसको कर दीजिए. अगर आपको उसको सॉरी बोलना, इट विल कीप बॉदरिंग यू until and unless you call. So complete the croaking. The time session that I am going to do with you is going to be divided into 2 or 3, 4 sections. Today is only section 1, because there's so much to learn about time apart from time management. You know, science and studies have got a study which they have got data which proves that 80% of the time that we spend, apart from waking hours, I mean time spent, apart from sleep, 80% of time is not in sync with what we want to do. We are not doing where we want to go. The time spent is not invested, and that is because a lot of time wasters are taking away our time. Now you may ask me, what are time wasters? Let me complete the time waster part today, because where does our time go? What is the value of our time? How many of you know what is the value of time? If I was to give it a number, like I gave my emotions a number 1 to 10, I give everything a number. What is the value of time if I were to ask you? So if you want to know the true value of time, you want to know the value of a minute? Great. So let me share with you. If you want to know the value of 1 year, you should ask somebody who failed in school or class. For next 40 years, you'll remember I failed in the 4th year. Mera 1 saal waste ho gaya. That's the value of 1 year. You want to understand the value of a month? Ask a mother who's ready to deliver her child and she delivers a premature child. That's the value of a month. Value of in 1 hour, all people who are waiting to meet their loved ones. आज शाम को आपकी डेट है 6:30 बजे, 5:30 के बाद जो गुड़गुड़ होता है वो 1 घंटा खत्म ही नहीं होता, isn't it? Yeah, so that's the value of 1 hour. What's the value of 1 minute? You can ask people जो बॉम्बे सेंट्रल या स्टेशंस पर जाते हैं और 1 मिनट या आधे मिनट से ट्रेन मिस हो जाती है या फ्लाइट का काउंटर बंद हो जाता है. That's the value of 1 minute. How much is the value of your time? So today I'm going to give your time a value just to make it more interesting. The value of time or value of 1 day for you is 86,400 a day. अगर इसको आप करेंसी में गिनेंगे तो आपके एक दिन की कीमत 86,400 रुपए, 86,400. You may be wondering why. Sir, why have you come up with this number? Many people know why. Yes, exactly. Those are the number of seconds we have in a day. And if you spend and invest, spending is waste ho jana. Invest is if you invest your time correctly, your 86,400 which comes to you every morning will multiply not only in time but in actual currency. So learn to invest your time. And like I said, the first thing to learn how to invest time is, they say a penny saved is a penny earned. So a minute saved is a minute earned. Now, where do our minutes go? Where do our seconds go? How much time do you give everything in your life? Is you have to understand, am I investing my time? Am I wasting my time, or am I passing my time? Our biggest time wasters, as we know in today's time, is social media, isn't it? It's an addiction. I say self-pity is an addiction, but I believe social media is a much, much bigger addiction. Not few are addicted, not young are addicted. Everybody who has once tasted social media gets addicted to it. Even when people who leave it always boast about it. Arey, maine to chhod diya. It is more addictive than tobacco. So yes, our biggest time wasters is social media. Our biggest time waster is self-discipline. Give me a second, please. Choking. Is self-discipline. हमें पता नहीं है. We do not know how to save time. For an example, I'll ask you a very simple question. When the phone rings, even if there is a ping, our instant reaction is jump to it and hold it. I remember when I was in school and we ever used to travel by bus, we used to tease the bus driver as the घंटी का गुलाम. We used to tease him, अरे क्या कंडक्टर घंटी बजाता है, तुम गुलाम हो क्या, कि जो वो बोलता है रुको तो रुको, चलो. But haven't we all become घंटी का गुलाम? Whatever we are doing in the midst of our life, we leave that and we rush to that one घंटी. Isn't it? We are eating food, we are watching, we are sitting with our parents, we are playing a game with friends. यहाँ तक के when I travel a lot, I travel Bombay, Pune, on the way, people I have seen in the men's washroom, they are holding the phone here. And even when they are doing the most amazing thing, the most non-toxic thing of their life, they are on the phone. Now imagine those 30-40 seconds of pee, those 3 to 4 minutes of poop. Even there, if you want to take your phone, then see how you've become a slave of the घंटी. So please, people tell me, sir, अगर phone की घंटी बजे तो क्या करें? We don't know what else to do, isn't it? What do you do when the phone rings? Can you tell me? Yes, you can choose not to pick it up. That is what I mean by making the right choices. Off the ringer. Your phone was given to you to serve to you, not to you become its servant. रात को 2 बजे भी घंटी बजती है तो हम उठ के दौड़ते हैं. So yes, I will do a lot about use of technology in my technology section whenever I do that. But as of now, please identify, try to keep your ringer off. We usually keep our phones on all the time because of 2-3 reasons. First, we don't know. Secondly, we always wonder, what if there's an emergency? Literally, like we are expecting some bad news to come to us और वो मुझे पता चल जाए. Yes, Nisha, but tell me, how many emergencies have you faced since you've bought your mobile phone? Tell me. 1, 2. And when you think of emergencies, when you attract emergencies, what will you have in your life? And let us assume there is a heart attack. Let's assume there is a fire somewhere. कैन यू पुट इट ऑफ थ्रू द फोन? इंस्टेड यही वक्त अगर आपने संबंध बनाने में लगाए होते उस एरिया के नेबरहुड में, उस एरिया के लोगों में, तो वो आपकी मदद ज़्यादा करते। फ़ोन से तो आप चिंता के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कर सकते। सो यस, प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर नो emergencies in the world that can be solved over the phone unless you're a doctor. And how many major emergencies? Come on, please tell me. For that one or two major emergencies in your life, are you willing to, spend your entire life attracting an emergency? What if this? What if पापा को ये हो जाए, मम्मा को ये हो जाए? यार, अच्छे संबंध रखो, अच्छा कार्य करो, ऊपर वाला अपना काम कर रहा है, अब अपना करो। हाँ जी, every 3 hours, every 2 hours, every 1 hour, every half an hour, एक बारी जरूर फोन उठा के देखिए। If there's a call, you should call back. I am not saying don't use it. Use it like he is a person who's working for you. I'll give you an analogy. You have Ramu in the house who works for you. Now use your phone like a Ramu and call him when you need something. Don't become the Ramu for your phone that whenever he wants something and the ring is there and you rush, leaving everything, including your susu potty or mother or important friends, and then hello, ICICI Bank, क्या आप लोन लेना चाहते हैं? Come on यार, ऐसी इमरजेंसी की क्या आफत है? दूसरी चीज, we always believe there's an urgency. Hi Ram, what if this message is this? What if this WhatsApp is this? What if this email is this? The world is not on your shoulders, my friends. You are definitely a part of it, but you don't run the world. There is some other supernatural power. Do not attract emergencies or do not attract urgency, and definitely not over the phone. Every hour you may give 5 minutes of undivided time to your phone. आज टाइम से हट करके हम पूरे टेक्नोलॉजी पे जा रहे हैं, मगर आई डिडंट वांट टू कवर टेक्नोलॉजी, बट सिंस योर क्वेश्चंस आर सच, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, जस्ट फॉर अ गेम, from tomorrow onwards, spend the average amount of time spent on a phone averagely, that has been data given, is over 3 hours. Now isn't that a lot of time? If you convert that into seconds and that into rupees, how much are you investing? Is it worth it? So yes, then the next very, very important thing is interruptions in life. Your biggest time wasters are interruptions. As a matter of fact, I was watching a beautiful master class wherein I was told that all creative people, all great thinkers, all successful people have been able to achieve anything that they have is only because they have avoided interruption. Every time we are thinking, we are walking, we are talking, we are going in a flow. And every time there is an interruption, किसी ने ऐसा ही पूछ लिया, अरे क्या हाल है प्रकाश? Now what happens is my flow of thought. So creativity's biggest enemy is interruption, intervention. When somebody just comes in, you are in a beautiful flow of creating music, doing a painting, writing a song, writing a book, writing a movie, and then somebody just comes in. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Their intention may be right, but the intention, that intervention that happens in your energy is going to change a lot. So whenever you want to do something of any purpose, जिंदगी में अगर कुछ अच्छा हासिल करना चाहते हैं, तो उससे अनडिवाइडेड अगर 1 घंटा भी 8 घंटों में आप दे देंगे अपने आप को उस जगह पर लॉक कर करके, हेडफोन्स लगा करके, I am telling you, your productivity will go 10x. So remember, enemy of creativity and creation is interruptions. Whenever you're doing something important, please tell your family, your team, your friends, including the phone, boss, leave me alone for the next 1 hour. Let me come back to you and see the difference that it makes to you. So these are few of the time wasters that I have told you. And so now you can tell me that, sir, I don't know how to do it, kya karna hai? One beautiful thing that I would like to share, which is in context of a beautiful time management chart, which has been given to me by Stephen Covey. If you've heard of Stephen Covey, he's a great guy who speaks on time, and he does a beautiful time management chart wherein he divides our time quadrants and our jobs to be done into 4. I may not do that today. Please come with a paper and pen for the next session on time management. But I must tell you 3 beautiful areas of our time, which I will start by in the next session. They are before, during, and after. कोई भी कार्य करने से पहले, कार्य करते वक्त और उसके बाद ये देखिए कि हाउ मच टाइम आर यू स्पेंडिंग इन दीज 3 areas ऑफ time management. And you will realize that a lot of time we spent on I wish I had done this, in regret, I wish I had planned this, and we fail to do the before. We stop making blueprints, our planning is lacking, and today, now, this quarantine time is given to you for planning. Do not worry how, when and what, but right now plan where would you like to be in the next few years. Before, during and after से हम अगले क्लास शुरू करेंगे. आज से पहले क्लास में my only request is invest your 86,400 rupees, if you may call them, wisely. Invest them in physical good health, invest them in mental, reading good books, stop watching the idiot box, invest in emotion, follow your passion, play the guitar, and invest in more of your professional goals, your educational goals. We all know that the end of the year is the exam, right? We know it before. All business people know that end of August is income tax filing returns. We know it 365 days prior, before. We all know with the credit card bill that we have received that it has got a due date of 28 days later. This is the before. When it is the 28th of that month, and the morning you are reminded you have to pay the bill, now that is your during. And if you cannot arrange time to pay it then, in the after you will be paying 300 rupees more, which is penalty. Similarly in everything. So invest your 86,400 in physical, in mental, in social, in emotional, call your friends, in your profession, in spiritualism. Do great things so that you're proud. More time management sessions will be done. Remember this one thing, you cannot save or hold back or turn back time. So invest it wisely. Every time you're doing something, spend it in hours, into rupees, and just go back and evaluate. Was it worth it? So Saksham, do not regret anything from now. I know we all, before learning this, so I will be doing a lot more on time management, and this also applies to if you want to tell somebody you love me. If you want to do it, it is before. When you tell them, it is during, and after you will never regret. You will always be glad you did something. So Rupali, yes, you can watch this session for 24 hours on Insta stories, and then I'll put it on YouTube.